In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. Whether you're running a seasonal promotion, rewarding your loyal customers, or simply boosting sales, setting up discount codes is a fantastic way to enhance your marketing strategy. Squarespace makes it easy to create and customize these offers, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set them up step by step. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to get started. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you prefer to log in with Google, simply select the Continue with Google option instead. Once you're logged in, click on the website where you want to add the discount code. This will take you to that site's dashboard where we'll be working today. From here, navigate to the Products and Services tab. This section is where you can manage everything related to the items or services you offer on your site. Next, click on the Commerce menu. This is the hub for all things sales related, and within Commerce, you'll find an option called Discounts. Go ahead and select that. Now let's add a discount. Click on the Add Discount button to get started. At this point, you'll need to choose the type of discount you want to create. Squarespace gives you a few options here. You can offer a percentage off, a fixed dollar amount, or free shipping. For instance, a percentage discount is great for seasonal sales where you want to reduce prices across the board, while a fixed amount might work better for specific product promotions. Free shipping, on the other hand, is an excellent incentive for customers who might be hesitant about additional costs at checkout. Take a moment to think about which option aligns best with your marketing strategy and make your selection. Once you've chosen the discount type, it's time to input the details. Here, you'll provide crucial information like the name of the discount amount, and any other relevant specifics. Be sure to enter these details carefully, as clear and accurate information will help avoid any potential confusion for your customers. Next up, decide on the trigger for the discount. This is what activates the discount during the checkout process. For example, you might set the trigger as spending a certain amount, or you could require customers to enter a specific promotional code. Think of triggers as the conditions customers need to meet in order to take advantage of your offer. Choosing the right trigger ensures the discount works the way you intend and helps you achieve your business goals. After setting the trigger, it's time to configure the offer itself. This step involves specifying exactly what's being discounted. For instance, you can apply the discount to all products, specific categories, or even just individual items. Take a moment to review your inventory and decide which option makes the most sense for your campaign. Now, let's set the rules and limitations for the discount. This is where you can refine how the discount applies, ensuring it's only available under certain conditions. For example, you might limit the discount to specific product categories, exclude sale items, or cap the number of times a customer can use it. These rules are important because they clarify the offer for both you and your customers, preventing any misunderstandings. Once your rules are in place, it's time to choose the start and expiry dates. Setting these dates ensures your discount aligns with your sales calendar and goes live exactly when you need it to. Be strategic here. Timing is everything when it comes to promotions. If you're running a holiday sale, for example, you'll want the discount to start and end at just the right moments to maximize its impact. Before wrapping things up, take a moment to review all the settings you've configured. Double-check the discount type, the details, the triggers, and the rules to make sure everything looks good. This final review step is crucial to avoid any errors or surprises once the discount is live. And when you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, click Save to activate your discount. That's it. Your new discount code is now live and ready for your customers to use. So there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to creating discount codes in Squarespace. By following these steps, you can create promotions that not only encourage sales, but also align perfectly with your business goals. If you have any questions or tips about using discounts on Squarespace, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.